How to remove songs from Instagram after posting it. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. So in today's video, I'll simply show you how you can remove songs from Instagram posts after you've posted them already. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you're not aware, Instagram has the feature to add music to your post, right? So you can see one of the posts that I recently made in this case. If I open it up, you can see the music, as you can also see the music icon here. That's because I have added a song to this specific post. Now this is not a video, this is simply a picture, and after adding a music, it will be converted automatically to a certain specific second video. So how do you actually go ahead and remove this song from Instagram posts after you've posted them? Well, if I tap on the three dots icon over here, you can see I do not have any option to actually remove the song. Even if I go to edit, I can tag some people and so on, but I cannot at all remove the song from my Instagram post. That is a simple thing that you have to understand. What you can only do is you can mute it though by just tapping this volume button and then muting the specific song, but you cannot go ahead and then remove the song completely, so people who view your profile will also be able to figure out that you've added a song to your Instagram post. The only thing you can actually do is just tap on the three dots and then type on delete. That is the only thing you can do as of right now, but you have to understand that you will not be able to remove the song from the post. Hopefully Instagram will update this in the future as well. If they do, then I'll also make sure to update it to you guys. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.